Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your email address in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we need to do is simply look over the navbar. Scrolling to the right, next to the bell icon, you will find this icon right here. That's kind of like profile. Simply click on it, then this will open up. What we need to do from here is simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, initially you'll be in account settings. Let's scroll down and you'll see something like email right here. And right next to it is change email. Let's click on it right now. Now it's gonna give us something like this to enter our new email address and our current password. Let's enter both of them. Once everything's okay, let's simply hit on save email. Well guys, that's it. And it's saying we have sent an email message to your new email address. Let's look at it right now. Let's go to Gmail. Right here is the mail. I'm simply gonna click on confirm email. And guys, there you go. Now let's again hit on continue. Finally, it's gonna ask for our verification code. Let's simply go to our newly added email address. Right here's the code. Let's simply copy and paste it right here. Now that everything's okay, simply hit on submit. And there you go. We have successfully changed the email address in Indeed. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.